Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Dynamic variable names in Python, using variable values as variable names. Introduction. In Python, variables are used to store and manipulate data. Typically, variable names are assigned by the programmer, and the values they hold are accessed using these names. However, there are scenarios where you might need to dynamically create variable names based on the values of other variables. In this tutorial, we will explore how to achieve this in Python. Example scenario. Let's consider a situation where you have a set of data related to different users, and you want to create variables dynamically based on the user names. This can be useful in scenarios where you want to store user-specific information without hard-coding variable names. Explanation. Sample user data. We start with a list of user names, user_names, that we want to use to create variables dynamically. Dynamic creation of variables. We use a for loop to iterate through the user names. Inside the loop, we construct variable names dynamically using an f string. For example, the variable name for the user Alice will be Alice_data. Assigning values. We use the globals function to access the global namespace and assign values to the dynamically created variables. In this example, each dynamically created variable is assigned a dictionary containing user-related information, such as name, age, and email. Accessing dynamically created variables. After the loop, we can access the dynamically created variables, Alice_data, Bob_data, etc., and print their values. Note: using dynamic variable names should be done with caution, and it's generally recommended to use dictionaries or other data structures for such scenarios. This approach can make your code less readable and harder to maintain. Conclusion. While dynamically creating variables based on variable values is possible in Python, it should be approached carefully. Understanding the potential drawbacks and alternatives, such as using dictionaries, will help you make informed decisions in your programming tasks. ChatGPT.